I will guide you how to merge cells in PowerPoints. It's easy to merge cells in a PowerPoint table. Head to the insert and click on the table and select the number of rows and columns you want to put in the slides. So now select the cells. For example, you want to merge two cells and then head to the layout on the top menu bar and click merge cells, and here you can see that the both cells have been merged. And if you want to merge these three cells, head to the layout and click on the merge cells. Now you can see that these cells have been merged. If you want to merge all 5 cells, then go to the layout and click merge cells, and you can see that. Another way is that select the cells, right click, and here is the merge cells. Click on that and here merge the cells. So if you want to use the shortcut, then press the Alt and press J L M all together, and here you can see that the cells have been merged. If you need to undo a merge, select the merge cell, go to the layout and click split cells and click OK. So with this way you can easily merge cells in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.